Hey guys, Mr. McSweeney here to help you with color temperature. So what is color temperature? Color temperature is how warm, neutral, or cool your picture or video is. So why is color temperature important in a video or a photo? So you can use color temperature to help create a mood in a video or a picture. So for instance, if you're at the beach and it's summertime, it's a good idea to sometimes warm your picture up. And if it's winter, you can cool your picture and that'll give the emotion of that it's cold. So for instance, I did a video of my family setting up our Christmas tree. And so what I did is I made sure that it was clear, but also on the cooler side, and it gave this sense that it was cold, even though we live in Florida. So when would you want to use neutral or daylight color temperature? So daylight is the best for capturing the best colors. It also helps people sync up, so if you're doing multiple cameras, that'll give you equal color temperatures, which makes editing in post and mixing those two sets of footage easier because both colors are going to match. You also, with daylight, get a wider range of colors to mess with when you're editing those colors. So those are your three types of color temperatures: warm, daylight, and cool. All right, so how do you naturally get these colors? There's a time of day which is before golden hour and after golden hour, called blue hour. And blue hour is when the sun's rays haven't quite yet come over the horizon. And so you get this much bluer tint to everything and it cools everything off. You'll also easier find that in colder weather. Golden hour is an hour after sunrise or an hour before sunset. Typically you can just get stunning pictures. A lot of people really like the look of golden hour because it pulls out naturally those warmer tones. And so when you're getting pictures, you get this really beautiful emotion rather than creating that artificially in post-production. So how do you get daylight? That one's easy. You just go out during daylight. And the best way to film that, we talked about with diffusion, is to go out on an overcast day because those clouds are acting as a softbox for the sun. Okay, so what happens if you mess this up and you don't properly set it up before you take a picture or film? What happens is all of your colors will get distorted. So skin tones are really affected by color temperature, and any other colors are really going to be affected by this. So if you try to change that in post-production, your colors are going to start getting mushy and really, really ugly, especially the skin tones. So you want to make sure that you set your color temperature or your white balance ahead of time, or give proper lighting before you start filming. I hope this helps, and good luck.